Good evening everyone. Welcome to the LNG Annual Function 2017. Hope you are in high spirits this evening. Hope your seats are comfortable. Hope the view is good and you are all in a well relaxed and in a jolly good mood. Because the next few hours are all about you. No, Shana, it's all about our audience, not about us.
No, right. See, I know I am busy one and coming to learning since 6 years. But I am the favorite one.
What? Then I am sorry to say that I am the legend at Learn and Grow, and obviously for Neha ma'am.
So what? They have not learned me more than you. So I know what I'm doing today.
I know better.
You only know. Let me ask Neha ma'am straight away.
Okay, let's call Neha ma'am. Please everyone give a round applause for our nurturing mother, Neha ma'am.
Hi everyone. Okay guys. You know what is the theme today? हाँ? पेरेंटिंग बहुत बोरिंग टॉपिक है चलो क्या था थीम क्या था सबने क्लिक किया था वी आर गोइंग व्हाट वाज द टैगलाइन यस परफेक्ट एक जन को याद है और इतने बैठे एक जन को याद है व्हाट वी लर्न फ्रॉम द किड्स व्हाट कैन वी लर्न फ्रॉम आवर चिल्ड्रन examples fun and more living life forgiveness and how many of you are learning it how many of you are learning it tell me that okay Hriday's mother is learning everyone you are also learning wow great so आज मेरा मन नहीं है ज्यादा बोलने का फिर भी मैं इतना बोल रही हूँ imagine I want my children to speak for you. I want my children to understand and you should understand what they want, what is their message clearly. Every app will have some subtle information about how you can be better. मतलब वो 3 साल के बच्चे एज क्या होगी probably 25 to 50, 60, 70, 80 years. They are going to teach you how to live better and how to hold them better. They are going to tell you all these lessons. But before we start the show, सबसे important, mobile सबके, I cannot hear it. ऐसे boring public के साथ मजा नहीं आती मुझे. आवाज होनी चाहिए यार. Every day I deal with आवाज only. 1, 2, 3, start. Perfect. And everyone will be active. Wow. कौन बोला मुझे दिखा नहीं है. Active. But before that, बच्चे आपको पता है क्या करते हैं? How they spend their day in classes or in schools? Do you know that? कुछ guess? Any guesses? Nothing. Imagination. Imagination is what they can do. Anything. So, they cry. They cry. They cry. Okay, that's fine. We also cry. We cry less, they cry more. That's the difference. हमारा सलाइन वाटर बचपन में सूख गया है उनका भी है फ्रेश है लर्न एंड ग्रो तो यार 1.5 घंटे के लिए ठीक है प्लीज लेट्स नॉट गो देयर तो व्हाट दे डू कम ऑन कुछ एक अच्छा आंसर चाहिए यार एंजॉय हाउ दे डू एंजॉय हाउ डांसिंग प्लेइंग विद whom फ्रेंड्स हाँ टीचर्स एंड parents observe oh wow this voice is okay I understood who is this speaking एंजॉय करेंगे, पहले शो स्टार्ट करें थे। तो एवरीवन इज टू विद मी? वेयर इज माय टीम? संचित, निधि, वेयर आर दे? और कौन है? वेयर इज माय हस्बैंड? आई हैव तो लॉस्ट, अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। अरे कॉल हिम ना, वो बाहर है। आराम आराम हराम है। पिछले 2 महीने से 3 महीने से तो हराम ही था हमारे लिए। हमने खाली सिर्फ आई हैव ओनली टॉक्ड अबाउट माय एक्ट, आई हैव ईटन हिज हेड, आई हैव कॉल्ड पीपल फ्रॉम बॉम्बे एंड ऑल टू हेल्प मी कि प्लीज कम हियर एंड हेल्प मी। मींस इट वाज अ जर्नी वेयर आई कुडंट मींस आज जो मैंने स्पीच बोली ना मुझे मैंने प्रिपेयर नहीं की। आई वाज ये स्पीच में आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू यू गाइस। आई हैव नॉट आई डोंट नो व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दिस 1 मंथ। मतलब आप लोग को इरिटेट भी बहुत किया मैंने, ये टाइम पे भेजना ही पड़ेगा, बर्थडे पार्टी मिस करनी पड़ेगी, शादी मिस करनी पड़ेगी, मींस डायलॉग्स आपने लर्न नहीं करा है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। आई हैव इरिटेटेड ऑल ऑफ यू आल्सो, बट you are not okay, I have not irritated you, but oh thank you, but बच्चों का अगर आप देखोगे ना, मतलब they have enjoyed thoroughly the practice, thoroughly whatever we used to do with them, and means इतना improvisation चल रहा था क्लास में। अब मैं ये ऐड करूँ तो मैं यहाँ से एंट्री लूँ तो मैं ये करूँ तो अरे ग्रेट मैन। तो दैट मींस लर्न एंड ग्रो इज वर्किंग। इसका मतलब लर्न एंड ग्रो इज वर्किंग। बच्चे अपने आप सोचने लग गए, स्पून फीडिंग कम हो गई है। तो एवरीवन क्लैप फॉर आवरसेल्व्स। तो बिफोर दैट जब मैं पहले बोली थी कि आज हमें पहले अपनी एंजॉयमेंट से स्टार्ट करना है ये एक्ट। सो आई वांट एवरीवन मींस दादाजी और दादी जी और नाना नानी अगर नहीं खड़े होंगे तो चलेगा, लेकिन हम जितने भी यंग है, आई एम यंगर देन यू गाइस, ओके आई एम यंगर देन यू गाइस। तो आप लोग को सबको खड़ा होना है। एंड वेयर इज माय एलएनजी मॉम्स? खड़े हो भाई। फादर्स भी ज्वाइन करेंगे अपने आप, फादर्स भी। निखिल भाई फर्स्ट सॉन्ग। नहीं आप लोग बैठ जाइए, आप लोग बैठो, आप लोग देखो, आप लोग खड़े हो, काई को बैठने का।
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. Hot air balloon, I could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like a one
ड्रामा में भी अगर कुछ हो तो भूल जाना, याद रखना है, याद रखना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. My kids are coming here, standing here in front of so many people. I cannot express what I'm feeling. You're on fire, you can't. I don't know what am I. I'm right now shivering, whatever is happening, but my kids are performing, that's more than enough for me. Whatever they do, whatever, anyone!
Ma'am, let's start the show. Yes, I want to perform. Let's start.
Okay, but tell me one thing, how should we start our show?
Simple, ma'am, by chanting Om and singing Vakratundam.
Okay, show me.
Ma'am, our friends have prepared the whole story on Ganesha. Wow, let's call them
And start the show. Come on, everyone! This is the first time our second branch is performing, Adajan branch, and these kids have worked. तालियां बंद नहीं होनी चाहिए कोई भी एक्ट में. भूती सीटियां और क्या क्या होता है भाई? Boys, fathers, भूती सीटी और my father also this is very nice, right? सीटी एक पापा, सीटी एक बजाई तो कोई बात नहीं. Come on, 3 cheers for, come on. Okay, he's a little shy. उनको भी लॉन्ग आना पड़ेगा. So let's start Ganesha.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
story begins at the highest peak of the Himalaya range, Mount Kailash. Mount Kailash is so tall that we cannot cross it. Here lives Ganesha's papa, Lord Shiva, and mom Parvati, with their companions Nandi and strong army. Here comes the hero of our story, Mera Pyara Bal Ganesh. Thank you. नंदी, मैं स्नान करने जा रही हूँ. तुम किसी को अंदर मत आने देना. जैसी आपकी इच्छा माते.
गेट पर जो
प्रणाम भोलेनाथ.
टीजी बिना
Let me pass. मुझे अंदर जाने दो.
हाँ तो इन्हें फोन करेंगे.
Forgive me, my lord, but Ma Parvati has said no to me from allowing anyone to enter into the palace. Don't be foolish. That instruction is for other people. You know I'm her husband. Lord Shiva entered the palace. Parvati was surprised. How did you manage to enter? Didn't Nandi stop you?
क्या हो गया?
My dear, he is my trusty devotee. He wouldn't have the courage to try and stop me. But I told him to stand outside. He should not have disobeyed my instructions. My lord, now Ma Parvati is upset. Let's see how she managed to solve this problem. After all, she is goddess. मुझे ऐसा गन चाहिए जो बुद्धिमान हो, वो मेरी आज्ञा का पालन करे. दासी, मुझे उपटन लाके दो. जी माता, अभी लाती हूँ. माते, इसका क्या करेंगे? मैं मेरा पुत्र बनाऊंगी. वो कैसे माता? अपने निर्मल मन से इस चमत्कार को होते हुए देखो. and beautiful, my son. I know you will always obey me. Yes, ma. I'll make a wish for you. Ganeshji playing in Himalaya with Nandi and two Bhoot. Dear Ganesh, it's my bedtime. I want you to stand by the door and until I give you instruction, you must not let anyone enter. As you wish, ma. I shall not let anyone enter the house. Don't worry at all. Lord Shiva comes. Forgive me, my lord, but I cannot allow you to enter. My dear boy, who are you, by the way? Why are you not allowing me to enter the palace? I am Gauri's son Ganesha. Gauri's son? Then those instructions are not applicable for me because I am Gauri's husband, Shiv Shankar. अच्छा, मुझे अंदर जाने दो. जिद मत करो दादान बालक. तुम्हें पता नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ. यह संभव है. मैं अंदर नहीं जाने दे सकता आपको. परिणाम जो भी हो. सूर्य पश्चिम से निकल सकता है. चंद्रमा अपना मार्ग बदल सकता है. पर मैं अपने धर्म के मार्ग से नहीं हट सकता. मूर्ख बालक. शांत प्रभु. Stay calm, my lord. He is just little boy. Let me try. I will make him understand. Ganesh, my boy, you have not the experience, the anger of my master. Don't try to frighten me. If you have the guts, then move me from here. Is that what you think? Then let's see how you will fight with me. Fight between Ganesh and Nandi. Nandi falls down. He trashed me. He broke all my bones. Command not, Lord. Army, immediately take your men along with you and go and teach that boy a lesson. As you command not, Lord. Let's go. There is fight between Ganesh and three commando. This is absolute disaster. Stop it. What is this foolishness? One harmless one and so many soldiers? Go away. Ganesha, my boy, don't be so stubborn. Don't you think my father is stubborn instead of me? You should respect your elders. Now step aside from the door. My mother holds the most important place in my heart. I will not move. There is fight between Ganesh and Brahmaji of Shastra and Lord Shiva dancing the dance of the dead. Lord Shiva is at the peak of his anger and he is dancing the dance of death. Oh no. नहीं, मेरा पुत्र गणेश, ये क्या हो गया? ये आपने क्या किया प्राणनाथ? क्रोध में अपने ही पुत्र का वध कर दिया. आप सब देवगण चुपचाप खड़े ये तमाशा देख रहे थे. किसी को भी ये नादान बालक पर दया नहीं आई? बोलिए, सब चुप क्यों है? शांत हो गए आप सब? क्रोध में इस छोटे से बालक के प्राण ले लिए. अगर आपको शांति नहीं मिली है तो मेरे भी ले लीजिए. मुझे अपना पुत्र वापस चाहिए जीवित. आपको इसको प्राणदान देना पड़ेगा, अन्यथा मैं भी प्राण त्याग दूंगी. ये आप क्या कह रही हो देवी? मैं न्याय मांग रही हूँ. मेरा पुत्र निर्दोष था, मेरी आज्ञा का पालन कर रहा था. क्षमा कर दो देवी, यह असंभव है. तो मेरा जीवित रहना भी असंभव है. आपने क्रोध में आकर अपने ही पुत्र का वध कर दिया। भोलेनाथ, अब आपको देवी पार्वती की बात मानकर बाल गणेश को जीवन दान देना पड़ेगा। वास्तव में देवी पार्वती का आग्रह अनुचित नहीं है। क्रोध में आपने जो अनुचित कार्य किया है उसका यही प्रायश्चित हो सकता है। भोलेनाथ, अंकट त्याग कर देवी पार्वती के आग्रह को स्वीकार कीजिए। भोलेनाथ, ये संभव नहीं है। मेरे शस्त्र के पहाड़ से जो सर धड़ से अलग हो जाए वो जुड़ नहीं सकता। फिर एक ही उपाय है, जो बालक का सर आपके शस्त्र से नहीं काटा गया उसका सर गणेश के धड़ से जोड़ा जा सकता है। सोचने में समय नष्ट मत कीजिए। भोलेनाथ, send your guards. Go and bring head of another child whose face points toward the north and whose mother is sleeping with her back towards him. Now leave. As you command, my lord. Do not waste time. If we delay any further, he will never come back to life. It is done. Let's go. You silly fools! What is this you have brought? My lord, as per the instruction you gave us, this is the only head of a child we can't find. That is why we brought along with us. We do not have the time to take this head and bring him back. You forever, my dear beta. There, my dear, your son is back. आपने इसे जीवित तो कर दिया, परंतु इस रूप में सब इसका मजाक उड़ाएंगे। चिंता ना करो पार्वती, मैं इसे वरदान देता हूँ। युवा तक लोग इसकी पूजा करेंगे। मैं इसे वरदान देती हूँ, जब भी कोई शुभ कार्य होगा पहले गणेश जी का पूजन किया जाएगा। ये बालक विद्या और बुद्धि का दाता होगा। हर मंदिर और हर घर में इसको लड्डू का भोग लगेगा। हमारा पुत्र अति बलशाली, अति बुद्धिमान होगा। मैं आज से इसे अपने सेना का सेनापति नियुक्त करता हूँ।
शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम। अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम।
रखते थोड़ा. So this is the question which we all think कि पहले अंडा आया या मुर्गी, क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? हाँ, क्या क्या सुनाई नहीं दिया? अंडा आया, मुर्गी, बहुत कंफ्यूजन है. हमें भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन हुआ था. अब देखो हमारे बच्चे कितना ये क्लियर मैसेज देते हैं आप लोगों को. जस्ट कीप एंड वॉच. तालियां.
अनंत काल से, जब से सृष्टि हुई है तब से, जब से पहले मानव ने धरती पर अपने कदम रखे हैं तब से लेकर आज तक एक प्रश्न हर जीव जंतु, मानव दानव, पशु पक्षी, पेड़ पौधे, यहां तक कि अंडों को भी परेशान कर रहा है. वो प्रश्न है,
मुर्गी आई या अंडा? ना मुर्गी ना अंडा, सबसे पहले मम्मी. अरे पापा नहीं होते तो मम्मी कैसे होती? सबसे पहले पापा. लेकिन पापा ना मम्मी, यहाँ बहुत अंडे हैं. पर इतने सारे अंडे कहाँ से पहुँचे? मुर्गी चल गई होगी. इसका मतलब है मुर्गी. पर मुर्गी कहाँ से आई? मैं बताओ. अरे तुम बताना. बताओ कहाँ से आई मुर्गी? कहाँ से? अंडे से. हो ना मुर्गी ना अंडा, तोता भी तो होता है. सबसे पहले आया तोता. सिर्फ तोता ही होता है क्या? गौरैया भी तो होती है. सबसे पहले आई गौरैया. कोई गौरैया निकल जा गौरैया से. पहले आई चील. कोई चील जब चील पहले आया कबूतर. कबूतर नहीं कौवा. तू कौवा नहीं, तू कोयल है. कोयल क्या बात कर रहे हो? मैं तो कौवे क्या रोज आई हूँ. हंसना बंद कर. पहले आया मोर. don't start once more. मोर नहीं पटक. नहीं कबूतर आया. गौरैया. कुकड़ू चिल्लाना बंद करो. इंसानों की तरफ लड़ना बंद करो. हमारा बारे में देखना और खुश रहना, ना कि फाइटिंग करना. Nice idea. Let's do it.
इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा. इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा. अंडे में अंडा, फंडे में फंडा. अंडे का अंडा, फंडे का फंडा. आओ सिखाओ तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा. ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा. अगर न होता
Hot. Thank you all of you. So question पूरा मिला. So what was the question? अंडा आया या मुर्गी? थोड़ा और सोचो. अरे doesn't matter. नहीं, it matters. Why? तो it's a kind of curiosity thing, right? हम सब सोचते हैं. We Google it also. We scratch our head and we try to figure out what came first. And kids also. And when we don't get answer, what we tell our children? When we don't get the answer, what we tell our children? हाँ? क्या? नहीं, फिर भी दोनों साथ में. और questions और answers. Sorry. Go to Neha ma'am. So I know you will send everyone to answer all the questions. हाँ? क्या? अरे नहीं, मैं ये नहीं पूछ रही. अगर आप जवाब ढूंढते हो, नहीं मिलता, आप हार जाते हो, फिर क्या बोलते हो? हाँ, गूगल ने हाथ उठा दिया ये सवाल के लिए। सच बोलती हूँ, कल ही सीईओ का फोन आया था मेरे पास कंफर्म करने के लिए। इंडियन ही है अपना, टेंशन नहीं है, बत्ती अच्छी है उसके साथ। तो बोलो बोलो क्या करते हैं हम बच्चों को क्या बोलते हैं? कम ऑन यार, कम ऑन गाइस, कल बताएंगे या नहीं बताएंगे, या छोड़ो भूल जाओ, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर पे लिखेंगे हम नई कहानी। बट व्हाट हैपेंस टू द क्यूरियोसिटी? हाँ, क्यूरियोसिटी को क्यों क्या होता है? जब हम उनके सवालों का जवाब नहीं देते या उनको मोटिवेट नहीं करते बोलने के लिए जो उनको बोलना है, हमें शर्म आती है। बाजार में जब बच्चा हमसे जिद करता है, पहले ही समझा देते घर पे, अब चुप हो गए, हंसी बंद, सीरियस टॉपिक हो गया, चलो कोई बात नहीं। सी, द क्यूरियोसिटी इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन एवरीवन्स लाइफ। इट्स सेड कि क्यूरियोसिटी इज द इन्वेंशन ऑफ, नहीं, व्हाट इज इट? Mother of inventions. Thank you. And what are we doing? We are spoon feeding them everything. Google कर लो, मॉम डैड से पूछ लो, टीचर से पूछ लो। नहीं यार, थोड़ा सोचने दो, खुद से आंसर आएगा। All the answers are here. They know because I have experience in last 2 months. उनको देखा, माइक चेक करने के लिए मेरी परमिशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। They were so excited to wear collar mics. खुद ही चेक कर लिया। तो let them do whatever they want to do. They are going to come out with very flying colors in your life, and they are going to make you proud as they have made me today. Please, it's my genuine request.
Confucius said, "One said, I hear and I forgot, I see and I remember, I do and I understand." Our next chapter is something personal to all of us at Learning. It is something our entire foundation is based upon. We at Learning have plans to open beautiful world of wonderment. Sydney Harry says the whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows that they should open up the whole world and not reflect back our own miseries. So without much ado, here's presenting our next act, Saraswati Secret Fever. On Saraswati walking down the school corridor with a plant goose. She looked just like her which kept at the school entrance. Mrs. Shivakami was too surprised and much pleased to have a goddess as a visitor to her school. Let's see what happens next.
Can I help you? Do you realize that the river will stop flowing in your school very shortly?
River!
There is no river in our school. There is a pond near the back gate, but no river. I am sure of it, but is it not your name? Yes, it is my name, but it is also the name of the river that was named after me. Surely you have heard of it. Don't you teach history and geography?
Yes, but I have not heard of such an event near our school. Oh please, don't twist my ears. I will find the one, I promise you.
Twist your ears? Why would I do that?
You want to see my ears?
Oh, that. I thought I saw wax in your ear. Just checking. Don't be upset. I like ears to be clean. How else will you listen to me? You have never heard of it. You would not notice if it was dying.
Mrs. Shivakami did not know how to respond. She wondered what was the proper way to address the goddess. Should she call a goddess of Adam or Saraswati ji? No one teaches these things at school. Teachers are as curious as students. Mrs. Shivakami ventured her all goods and asked goddess.
Madam ji, couldn't you explain your Saraswati magic in the Vedas? Yes, you know about it. I believe that river dried up.
Saraswati picked up Mrs. Shivakami by her waist and placed her on Hansa's back. As she then sat on the goose and off they went to see the river Saraswati. As Hansa glided through the clouds, Mrs. Shivakami realized that they were traveling back in time. Finally, Mrs. Shivakami saw the silver river flowing in a valley between vast frozen mountains. That was the river Saraswati, and the tiny houses were the schools on the bank of the river. Let's see what happens next.
These students can leave the school anytime they wish. No one is forcing them to study. They are there because they want to learn. Do you know what is most interesting about your school? Tell me please. When the school bell rings at the end of the day, all the students scream joyfully. I tell them to be quiet, but these kids do not listen. Oh, Mrs. Shivakami, have you not wondered why they are so happy when the final school bell rings? Clearly, they do not enjoy coming to the school. They feel trapped. What nonsense! It is true. Please see our school. The students enjoy studying here because teacher does not force them learn to anything. Once a student is curious, he will learn his own.
Mrs. Shivakami Saraswati pointed out students who were in the kitchen. Those who are understanding the difference between different cooking process like boiling, roasting, frying, etc. They might end up learning physics, even some biology while learning how to cook.
In my school, we had books and videos on botany, chemistry, biology, and life, but no one read or watched those videos. That is because your students are not curious. They will study only to pass exam. And my students were no, but if they do not learn, who loses? They do. So they should feel bad, not you. But I am their teacher. Teachers can teach when students want to learn. Remember, if you force a man who is not hungry to eat, he can fall sick.
These were very wise words. Mrs. Shivakami realized. She reflected on these words for a long time. Mrs. Shivakami, feeling inspired by the words of Saraswati and Hansa said,
I love this place. It is a pity that this road disappeared. Don't you want to why? I assume it was because of some natural disaster like an earthquake. Maybe something else happened.
Are you straight as told? He sat down in one place and observed everything. Mrs. Shivakami saw the scene change before her eyes. Mrs. Shivakami was very baffled and asked Saraswati why their heads were replaced by parrots. On these, Saraswati explained.
Please.
Should she call her goddess or Madam Ji? So how this happened?
You know this happened? These students and their teachers do not know what they are talking about. They are simply memorizing things, lessons.
They are simply memorizing, and we are going to see the students who are going to simply memorize with the parrot head.
I refuse to just memorize things. I want to understand. I want to know the meaning. I want to be wise. I want Diva Saraswati to flow once again. Stop all this understanding and wisdom nonsense. Just memorize. If you read aloud what I have taught you, everyone assume you are clever and everyone will respect you. No, I want to know the meaning. You stubborn boy, if you don't accept many things and vomit out what I have taught you. Fine, okay. He then put his finger in his mouth, tickled the back of his throat and vomited out all the lines and chanting his teacher had told him to remember. Ayush thought to seek knowledge from Sun because he is the one who sees all. Son, will you help me to find Diva Saraswati and flow it once again? You will find out yourself, my son. Teachers can only help you to discover, but ultimately the responsibility is on you, the student. Saraswati will never chase you. You must chase her. I want Diva Saraswati to flow once again. So be it. The river Saraswati will flow once again. Where in my school? Ayush.
Look at the secret river. It finally started flowing. Ayush. What? I don't understand. Please explain me. Saraswati now flow not outside the school but inside your student. Every time you are curious, as you are now, the river not on earth but in your mind. That is a secret river. The invisible river Saraswati. Oh, now I understand. Goddess steps into the river stop flowing in our school because students were no longer curious. In fact, when students were slightest sign of curiosity, they were discouraged by me or other teachers. That means I am turning students into parents. Don't worry if you find at least one student who is genuinely curious. That means river still flows in your school. It will be my pleasure to flow once again on the earth.
Okay, there was a lot of chaos in the dialogue delivery.
Thank you.
Great, it was great. Epic! There was some confusion.
Hello.
Okay, I don't need to say anything. Thank you guys.
Oh, God, Yati, what are you saying? Is it an act ya last night Pani Puri? Oh, no. I mean stomach ache because it will make all the audience laugh so hard. Oh, but what is the tale about? It is about a king and his foolish decision in a foolish kingdom. Wow, how foolish are you talking here? Imagine you in a king costume.
Okay, before these kids start acting now, let's start Andheri Nagri Chaupat Raja. Clap everyone!
महाराज, एक चोर की माँ आई है करने गुहार, तब के उसका बेटा मर गया है जब टूट गई है घर की दीवार। महाराज, अरे मैं भूल गई थी यहाँ क्यों आई थी। अरे बेटा, तेरा बेटा। अरे हाँ, मेरा बेटा। महाराज, बेटा चोर जरूर था पर बहुत उसकी सजा नहीं। जिसकी दीवार जिसने मारा लगा तो फांसी उसके अभी के अभी। चीज की दीवार उसको बुलाई आई और फांसी लगा दो अभी के अभी। जैसी आपकी आज्ञा महाराज, उसको बुलाया जाए। देखा महाराज अंधा है, फिर भी टक्कर मारता है। महाराज महाराज महाराज, मेरा कोई नहीं है दोस्त। सजा उस राजमिस्त्री को जिसने दीवार बनाई कमजोर। राजमिस्त्री को फांसी पे चढ़ा दिया जाए। जैसी आ गया महाराज, राजमिस्त्री को बुलाया जाए। अरे मैं तो ठहरा राजमिस्त्री, मैं तो काम बताता हूँ, करता तो वो कहीं गए, उसको भी मैं बुलाता हूँ। गायकों को फांसी पे चढ़ा दिया जाए। जैसी आ गया महाराज, कारीगर को बुलाया जाए। महाराज महाराज महाराज, मैं तो तल्ला तबन सताम, तबन इतलाट सारे भाई। तलना चढ़ा उस तो पराना, बतक चढ़ा फिर मेरा ध्यान। साधु को फांसी पे चढ़ा दिया जाए। जैसी आ गया महाराज, फांसी की कार्रवाई शुरू की जाए। गुरुजी गुरुजी गुरुजी, महाराज से निर्णय दिया है आपको फांसी पे चढ़ाने का। क्या करे गुरुजी, क्या करे? डोंट वरी वट्स, आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या। अलग निरंजन, अलग निरंजन। सावधान, सब खड़े जाओ। बहुत बड़े होने आजा गाने पुरुष महाराज सिंह दरबार में बजा रहे हैं। अरे महाराज आप कौन है? राज धीराज, पूर्णिमा के रात है आज, इसलिए आज या जो भी मरेगा हमेशा हमेशा के लिए अमर हो देगा। चारों रहेगा उसका राज और वही कहलाएगा महाराज। गुरुजी महामंत्री जी, पेटो फांसी हमको ही रखनी चाहिए। राज जैसे आपके आज्ञा। Unless I have a good mason to build or else it will fall. No man, we should learn that we think twice about the decision we make in life. Sometimes we make foolish decisions, listening to others around us.
Now let's see what is our next act by our little ones.
It's about the king and the wise man. Yes, once there was a king in a kingdom who lost all his strength. Oh, no, Pala. Let our friends, let learn and go. Teach about this story by our play.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, there is a story called The King and the Wise Man. Akshat is playing the narrator, Tavisha is playing the king, Jay servant, Rishika witch, Aryan guard and Kiara wise man. Let's clap for them.
Once upon a time, there was one king. He dreamed that he lost his all the teeth. When he woke up, he told one of his servants, "Oh, I had a terrible dream." Well, it was really a nightmare. What was it about? I dreamed that I lost all my teeth. I wonder what it means. Your Majesty, if you want to, I can tell the witch from the forest to come and give you an interpretation of your dream. Go to her house and tell her to come right away. I am really worried. I will be right back. The servant went to the witch's house and told her about King's dream. And she went to the palace. She said, "Oh, you are so unfortunate, my king." Why? Each fallen tooth represents the death of one of your relatives, your majesty. Then I will be left alone. Yes, your majesty, you will be all alone. What an insult! How do you dare to tell me such a thing? Get out of here. But my king. Guard, come here. The king was very unhappy with the witch because he wanted to hear good interpretation for her. Now let's see what king's orders the guard. Take this woman to jail and never let her out. Yes, your majesty, I will do as you say. The guard and the witch left the room. Meanwhile, the king told his servant, "Who will help me now? She was my only hope." "No, your majesty, I can still bring the wisest man from the kingdom." "Very well, I hope he can help me. I will be right back." The servant went to the house of the wise man and told it about King's dream. He requested the wise man to come along. "Take me to the king. I exactly know what is King's dream." "Let's go. Hurry up." When the wise man was at the palace, he started explaining the king's dream. "Oh, the happiness is waiting for you, your majesty. Your dream means that you will live longer with all your relatives." "Then I will live many years." "Yes, your majesty. You will even outlive all your relatives." "I am really pleased with your interpretation. That is really good news. Guard, come here." "Should I take him to jail, your majesty?" "No, you fool. Give this man 100 gold coins." "Are you sure, your majesty? I should give him 100 gold coins?" "How dare you ask me such a question?" "No, my majesty. I'm really sorry. The wish is my command." "Oh, thank you, my majesty. I am so happy." "You deserve it. Now I am completely sure that you are the wisest man in my kingdom. Guard, escort him to the palace gate." "Come with me, sir." When the wise man and the guard left the room, the servant was outside listening to the whole conversation. Then he said, "It's not possible. The witch told him the same thing you did. Both of you made the same prediction, but you were sent to the jail and you received 100 gold coins. I can't believe it." "Remember, my friend, that all depends on the way you say things. There is a great difference in how you deliver a message. One of the great challenges of mankind is to learn how to communicate." And the wise man left the palace with 100 gold coins. It's not what you say, but how you say it that counts.
Sorry for the technical issues. So what was the message? Communication skill. If we are not clear with our communication skills, how we are going to teach them? हम क्या सोचते हैं कि हाँ मैंने बोल दिया ना हो जाएगा, मैंने सिखा दिया हो जाएगा. But kids are kids. They will forget. They are not going to remember it. So you have to remember it. You have to keep on reinforcement in your child of whatever you want them to grow on. And for you also, आपको भी अपनी कोई हैबिट डालनी तो you have to talk clearly to your husbands, to your mother-in-laws, to your father-in-laws. We think in our mind कि हाँ यार मैंने बोल दिया ना कि मैं आज शाम को बाहर जा रहा हूँ तो हो जाएगा. मम्मी से पूछने की क्या जरूरत है? मैं बोल दूंगा बॉयज नाइट आउट है, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर. एंड दीज किड्स हैव टोल्ड अस कि जो विश ने बोला था सेम बात बोली थी, बट जब वाइस मैन ने बोला तो उसको अलग तरीके से बोला, एंड ही कुड विन द प्राइज. सो प्लीज communication, the first point what we are learning today is keep a communication with your children, with your spouse, with your family members. It should be very very clear. हमारे communication में थोड़ी problem हो रही है because of Nikhil, but that's a different story. So let's start our next act. Let me call Shivang and Jaina.
Ma'am, I know what are you going to say.
You know what ma'am is going to say?
Yes, I know.
Then tell me.
She is going to call our friends for the next act.
What is that?
A story.
Which story?
You asked so many questions, but I will tell you.
So the next act is the merchant house.
Greetings everyone. This play is all for a paisa. A frog is brought to you by long ago. A paisa was an old coin, not quite much, maybe a few pennies. Long ago in India, there lived a wealthy merchant. He and his wife were very happy, except for one thing. You always make excuses for him. He doesn't think like you. Our son is the musician, not a businessman. But he says he is a musician because he doesn't want to put in the time and the work it takes to be in the business. He puts in plenty of time practicing his guitar. Exactly, avoiding the real work of life. He's not thinking this through. He will be ignored by everyone, trying to support himself by playing the occasional wedding. He is embracing himself, me and the whole family. And when I try to talk sense into him, he won't listen. You are not best listener in the world either, you know. What did you say? No matter the problems are even worse than anything, we have a situation on our hand. What's that? We'll never attract a decent match. Any of the fine ladies of the village will want a secure future. Don't say such a thing. It's the truth. Does he want to know how to set up a shop? No. Does he want to learn how to make accounts? No, and no. Husband, listen. I know he can prove himself. Can't we give him one more chance? Maybe there is a way.
Hello, Father. Hello, Mother. Lovely days and days.
How do you know? You have been inside all morning. Husband, you know how you should talk? Whatever, fine. Listen, son, I'm giving you this paisa. I want you to go to bazaar, buy something to eat, something to drink, and something for the cow to chew on, and something to plant in the garden.
What? It's not possible to bear all the things in one paisa.
Still, that is something I would like you to do for me. That much is true, my son.
Both my parents agree to something that is not fighting to it. All that are right after something and somehow.
Something to eat, something to drink, and something for the cow to chew on, and something to plant in the garden. All for a one paisa. In today's currency, any ideas? It is a very challenging task for sure. Let's see how the merchant son is getting on.
I went to every shop and every store, but I couldn't find to eat in one paisa. Not to mention something to eat, something to drink, something for the plant in the garden, and what other thing? Right, something for the cow to chew on. This is impossible. I will calm down playing my guitar.
Look. with it. I have no idea to make invisible to get me out of the house to prove I know with these expectations. It's so hot. Thanks. That was the gate. Thanks. That is the spot. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? You're so watermelon, father, and we should eat. Of course. And if flesh is so juicy, it's also something to drink. Definitely, I love watermelon juice. And calf fruit to watermelon drink. And watermelon tree can plant in a garden. Can you guess what kind of what is watermelon? Are we talking one person? That we are. Congratulations, son. You did it. I'm impressed. And who is this random lady you brought with you? Actually, this lady helped me the idea. Is that right? Collaboration. How very modern. Working together. What an old-fashioned, effective solution. I like this better and better. So I. Young people, just when you are ready to give up on it, we are going to surprise you. Stories is not about you. Our random leadership is clever enough in the world. Just to satisfy my curiosity, did you have a solution in mind that either you gave to your son? I have no idea, but don't tell him, okay? So this is the oldest kind of stories. The young feel unappreciated for their courage or smarts, but in the end they come through and surprise the older generation. And I must say they just seem fine about it. Thank you.
Wow, a beautiful folk tale that teaches you good moral lesson at the end. So what was the moral lesson with this folk tale? हाँ? Collaboration. वो सब इसीलिए बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. Collaborate हुए हुए इसलिए बैठे हुए हैं. What was it? What was the? हाँ? नहीं. Teamwork? Trusting your kids. The father was skeptical, but he gave him a one chance, and the child could survive. In today's rat race or in today's world, we forget to give that chances to our kids. Today, there are many problems, right? With the mic, like this guy, I don't know why he's doing this to me, but this mic is getting up. There's a problem with the mic. Kids are running and everything. But it's important to give them the chance. It's important to trust them. It's important for them to do it themselves. You know how much हमने सब कुछ इतना कर दिया ना कि everything is like air conditioned and the schools and everything is so क्या बोलूँ मैं उसको एकदम you know on the bed with served with silver spoon. Where is the hardship यार? हमने भी बहुत hardship सहन की थी. Why they don't learn it that way? Because we are not giving them chance. हमें लगता है नहीं नहीं बाबू आप है ना धूप में मत खेलने जाओ काले हो जाओगे. नहीं नहीं बाबू आप खा लो आपको ये हो जाएगा. मैम हमारे बच्चे बैक स्टेज रहेंगे तो आप उनको खिलाओगे पिलाओगे. अरे these people don't allow to make them eat. What should I do? They can wait. Trust them. They are enjoying. Give them the chance to grow, please. So this is the second lesson. Giving them chance to grow. Right? So what are we gonna do from today onwards? बच्चों से क्या सीखा हमने? उनपे you have seen ना? Suhan forgot the first this thing word. Arna was so they know everything. They can manage. Just we have to trust them. So with the next act and the next host, let's welcome Jay and Aryan. Clap, clap, clap. Companion.